I am outside right now, and it's a very special day for you and for me both, because we get to unbox the May edition of the Magical Mystery Bead Box. So for those of you who are not familiar, the Magical Mystery Bead Box is our monthly subscription bead program here at jessiejamesbeads.com. It is a designer curated box with a fabulous monthly theme, and inside that theme we've got beads and baubles and kits and all kinds of things right inside this box. So we deliver them monthly. Around mid-month. We have a lot of subscribers that are just so gaga about this box. I typically would have done an unboxing a little bit earlier, but we really wanted to make sure that all of our subscribers got their boxes in hand before we opened it up live here on the internet, because everyone that is a subscriber is just so excited to be surprised with the theme and all the goodies that are in store. So just hang on a second. I want to pull up this video here so I can see your comments. I am outside of the warehouse right now with a helper doing the filming right now. That would be AKA my mom, Karen James. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
She says hello. Cool. So we've been having a lot of fun doing these. We've been having a lot of fun doing these videos here on Facebook. So thank you so much for coming out and checking us out and supporting creativity and just supporting learning about something new. It's been really great working with designer Sarah Ellis and the designers that we worked with along the way. And speaking of designers, our design team at Jessie James Beads is a team of artists that they have so much artistic energy and creativity that they pour into all of the Jessie James products. And this one right here, the Magical Mystery Bead Box, is a true testimony to the creativity of our team. So come on over. We're gonna open up this box. And if you
Tell
like what you
Susie I
see-
said hi back.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Okay, great. People are starting to show up. So, guys, if you're tuning in late, that is no problem whatsoever. We're going to dive into this box and show you guys a thing or two about what's going on with the May Magical Mystery Bead Box. If you are interested in signing up, we do have a special promotion for the June box. The code is MYSTERY, and you get $10 off. So that's with a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, and you get free shipping. So it's like really totally a steal. So that's what's popping right now at Jessie James Beads. I'm just gonna delve into this thing. Isn't this so fun? Isn't it fun to get a present in the mail? I haven't even gotten to really tear through this box yet, so today is really a treat for me. Here's the box. So our theme this month, eek! Welcome to Candyland. Isn't that so fun? Gosh, I'm telling you, Jessie James Beads is so creative. It's so much fun to work amongst our team, from the beads to the graphics to the things we put online. I'm honored to be part of this incredible force that is JJB. So what's inside? We've got candy poofs. Who knows what that is? Pixie stick strand trio. Tropical fruit punch assortment. Okay. Inspiration bead mix in cotton candy. Inspiration bead mix in lemon lime. Inspiration bead mix in sprinkles. Wow, tons of inspiration in this one. 2 8-inch licorice twist cotton cords. A metal assortment. Oh, and then the kit, or what's this bead kit? In every Magical Mystery Bead Box, you get a kit. This one is 2 tiara cast love charms, vintage flatback mini crystals, 2 bezels, paper assortment, 6 crystal check beads, and a 1950s check assortment featuring flatback crystal check from Preciosa. It says Precious, should say Preciosa. To err is human. So let's get into this box. Fluffy fluff on top. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Mom, grab the trash. Okay, so we've got here, this must be the lemon lime inspiration mix. And cotton candy. Ooh, that's fun. Little poof balls in there. Beautiful little periwinkle boho beads. I see some vintage check. Ooh, there's some large glass. Okay, so 2 big fat packs of beads with all kinds of stuff to play with. Let's see what's next. Okay, next, this must be the sprinkle set. Okay, well, this is just cheerful, really bright, colorful beads.
Super cute.
Thanks. Yeah, this is really fun. I love how bright the colors are. They really do look like rainbow jimmies, as we call them here around the Philadelphia area. Okay, next, the cotton candy poofs. I am just such a fan of these. One of our Magical Mystery Bead box subscribers was so excited about these. She said she's a mixed media artist and she just can't wait to turn them into something cool. Oh my gosh, these are so soft. These are so soft. And look, there's a little dangler up there, a little jumper, so that you can connect them. Actually, one of our packagers, we have stay-at-home moms that work as independent contractors for us that do some of our packaging work. And one of our gals came in and she loved these so much. And she said, Sarah, you got to hook me up with a pair of those. And can I get some chain from you? So yes, of course, we got her some chain. She made these into a pair of really cool, shoulder duster earrings.
Yeah, they were really nice.
Yeah, really little fuzzy, fuzzy little things. Okay, so next here we've got, Sue Purdy says it looks like bunny fur. Yeah, doesn't it?
It does.
Really, really cute. So soft. Okay, next we have, what do we call these? This is our Pixie 6 strand trio. These are so cute. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, 3 strands. 3 strands in this box. Look at the pretty colors. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, I was walking past the storefront yesterday in Philadelphia and they had primrose yellow, the Pantone color, all over it. Like Pantone swatches and yellow handbags and yellow just everything. And this is that to a T. Maybe a little bit you're lighter than primrose, but so pretty. And then this one here, the pink pixie stick strands, got some vintage check hearts. Got this big old boho, some cute little bead caps and pretty little glass baubles. Ooh, look at this one. Look at that one. Did you see that one there, Mom? On the angle.
Oh, I like that.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I think that's vintage check too.
Mm-hmm.
We've been getting a lot of vintage checking, guys. It's been popping up all over the Jesse James everything. So that's, can't be mad about that. This one's cool too. Look at the little bottom, how this one ends. There's a little acrylic leaf with a tassel dangler. That's creative.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, guys, I should also mention for our Magical Mystery Bead Box subscribers that received this box, and if you care to purchase this box, it is available on the website right now. We are having a design contest, 3 $50 prizes. Everyone that enters gets a $5 off coupon, and it's gonna be a lot of fun to see what you guys create. So go to the events section of the Facebook page here over on the left panel, and you can get more details about that contest. Okay, so this must be the metal assortment. I think everyone's metal assortment is different. That's when we say assortment, it usually means it's a little bit different. But this one, you get 2 diamond-shaped filigree beads, all pairs, of course, because we know you guys, earring making. Hello. These really beautiful patina blue bead. Here's some cool copper. That's really neat. I love our custom metals. I love our custom metals. And then this one, here's a large hole. This is a really beautiful bead. Look at the facets on that guy right there.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, so okay, that's the metal assortment. And still, we move forward. Next we have, this is the Licorice Twist cotton cords. These are cute. We need some end findings for these. I think we might have some online. We've got some beadle-on end findings that would work well with this. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is fun, like for a wrap bracelet, I think. You could make one for you and one for your best friend. Okay, Licorice Twist cotton cords. Let's keep going. Next, this must be the Tropical Fruit Punch assortment. Oh yeah, and everyone's is different for this. This one, my mom was just brought these over. She's filming right now, by the way, if you guys are coming in late. She just brought over these metal flowers to my office and said, Sarah, these are so darn cool. And I was like, yeah, they just showed up in the Magical Mystery Bead Box that we're going to unbox later today. Isn't that funky?
I love it. I love
Honestly,
it.
and it's really lightweight. So it looks metal, but this is polymer clay. It's like really light to the touch. And look at those cool colors that are inside. This box has warm tones, but there's also boxes that have the cool tones. Paula Manson says, wow, those are beautiful. And Lisa says that she loves this box. Thanks, Lisa. Thanks, Paula. Okay, also inside here, look at these little gumball shakers. There's 2 of them. Don't they look like those candy machines? I don't know if do they still have those anymore? They used to.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking
So
about?
cute. Yeah, absolutely.
Like the little gumball, like you put a quarter in and then you get a gumball out of
it. Absolutely. Super cute.
Okay, so there's 2 of those.
Hi, Sylvia.
Little,
She says hi, Mama.
Sylvia says hi, Mama. Here's some pretty little tassels. And then check these out. Look at these large hole beads. So the next Magical Mystery Bead Box, guys, the date to sign up, the cutoff date is June 7th. That's this Friday. And we have $10 off for new subscriptions. It's the code to enter is mystery, and that's for a 3, 6, or 12 month subscription. And you also get free shipping when you do the 3, 6, or 12 months. No code needed for the free shipping. That just happens automatically. But the code for the $10 off the box is mystery. And our cutoff is Friday. And if you like this box, just wait till you see the next one. We have been planning the next one. It is so fun. The colors are awesome. They're just so good, and the theme is great. So anyway, okay, so now last but not least, we have our What's This Bead Kit. So in every Magical Mystery Bead Box, you get a little kit, and it has a couple little doodads for you to play around with. This one, you see this Gene Wilder right there, one of our favorites. I think such an inspiration to anyone that loves creativity and color has got to be Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, Gene Wilder. Willy Wonka. So what's this? Okay, so what we're doing here is we do not have the resin, so we didn't do the tutorial for this one, but what I highly recommend is picking up some ice resin. We're going to be supplying it at the shop soon. I just didn't have my wholesale code all set up with an account for them to be able to get this going in time for this live. So anyway, let's just pour through this and I'll tell you some ideas of what you can do with the items that are in this What's This kit. Okay, so first off, we've got from our friends at Tierra Cast. Our friends that help us out with some of the stuff that go in these boxes give us a really nice deal because they know that we pass it on to you guys. So thank you, Tierra Cast, for the sweet deal to get these cute little charms. So it's Tierra Cast, made with love in Santa Rosa, California, lead-free pewter precious metal plating. We have 2 charms for you guys. It says love on one side, and the other side has a little divot there for you to put one of these baby little crystals in. These are vintage Preciosa crystals. There's all kinds of them in there to choose whatever color you like, and then more to go around. Maybe you have another project that needs a little crystal. You got some in here. And then the next little project that we have are 2 beautiful little bezels. And what a bezel is, if you don't know, it's a flat little indentated area where you're able to set a stone or just put some little mixed media decoupaging in. So what we have for this is 2 of these really pretty bezels with a nice kind of etched surface in the bottom. I like to think that when you put your glue on top of that it holds just a little bit more. So there's that. Then you have 3 pieces of scrapbook paper that we hand cut out with love right here at Jesse James Beads. You can cut that out, place it in the bottom of your bezel. Maybe you do a little scrappy scrap, cutting, getting creative with the 3 pieces of paper that you have here. And then we have this beautiful array of vintage Preciosa check crystals. Oh, and there's some beads in here too. Oh, okay. So when we said this is listed twice, 6 crystal check beads and the 1950s check assortment. Those are both all together in one here. So here's your check beads. And then you get these really beautiful flat crystals to place inside your bezel, if you so please. And then perhaps you're going to fill this with a little bit of resin. You can do the paper on the bottom, the crystals on top, and then we highly recommend ice resin, Susan Lennart Casimir, sold by Ranger Ink, to fill this with some really clear, beautiful epoxy resin. It's a 2-part epoxy and it is crystal clear and wonderful. And as soon as we get it on the site, you will be sure to know about it. But the craft stores sell it. You can get it at Michael's and Joann's, I'm pretty sure. But the Magical Mystery Bead Box you can only get at Jesse James Beads. And that's pretty special. Thanks guys so much for tuning in. This is like I really want to play with this now. I wish I had the rest. Isn't it cool?
It is really pretty.
It's really cool, right?
Yeah.
We got these vintage check pieces in a salvage, and we've been sitting on them for a while. Didn't really have anything to do with it, and then this was the perfect place to kind of let our creativity, or let your creativity, go wild. So guys, I cannot wait to see what our contestants in the Magical Mystery Bead Box contest put together with this array of stuff. Let me put these away so they don't go. Where'd they come from? Oh shoot, I think I'm gonna have to scoop them up afterwards. Just set them down. Look at how many you get. So guys, this box, the Candyland box, is available at jessejamesbeads.com right now. If you go to the What's New page, or just onto the home page, it's the first thing on the new, so you can see it there. That is full price for the box. Actually, it's probably discounted, but it's full price of what we sell the boxes for, if you're just getting it as a one-off. If you want to sign up for the Magical Mystery Bead Box, I think the boxes go as low as $30 a month, maybe 35. Check it out on the site, but either way, you get $10 off your first subscription with the code mystery. So here, let's go this way. We work in a warehouse here. It's not like the nicest outdoor area, but you know what? It's home, so that's that. Guys, if you have any questions about the mystery box or anything in general, please just leave a message, leave a comment, or send us a message, and we would be happy to help you. Like I said, last day to sign up for the June mystery box is this Friday, June 7th. So if you're thinking about it, don't snooze too long, because it's coming up. Thank you so much for joining me today. Me and my mom outside.
Bye.
She says bye. I say bye.
Nice meeting everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
We love you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.